Scorpio. 2025 is your year of deep transformation, empowerment, and discovery. The cosmos is aligning in your favor, pushing you toward profound personal growth. With Pluto, your ruling planet, making big moves, this year will feel like shedding an old skin and stepping into your truest self. But before we dive into your health, career, finances, and love life, don't forget to like this video. Your support keeps this journey alive. And while you're here, why not share your goals for 2025 in the comments? Let's make magic together. Now, let's unlock the mysteries of your 2025. Health-wise, Scorpio, this is a year for regeneration. Pluto's shift into Aquarius will affect your emotional well-being, urging you to release old baggage and focus on inner healing. The first half of the year is ideal for reflection and recalibration. Start with mindfulness practices like meditation or yoga to keep your mental health in check. When Jupiter enters your wellness sector in May, it's time for a burst of vitality. You'll feel motivated to adopt healthier routines and might even explore new fitness regimens or dietary changes. However, pay attention to Uranus's influence in your house of partnerships. It suggests that leaning on others for support, whether through therapy or group activities, could be particularly beneficial. Late summer might test your energy levels, especially in August. Use this period to slow down, rest, and avoid overexertion. Remember, Scorpio, balance is key. A healthy mind fuels a healthy body. In 2025, your professional life takes center stage. With Saturn stabilizing your creativity sector, you'll have the focus to channel your ideas into tangible results. This is a year for strategic growth, especially between February and May, when Mars lights up your career zone. Pluto's influence in Aquarius may push you toward innovation. If you've been dreaming about a career pivot or a big, bold project, 2025 is the time to make it happen. The eclipses in March and September will illuminate key moments for professional breakthroughs. These are your moments to shine. Be ready to take bold actions. Networking also plays a crucial role this year. The Jupiter-Uranus alignment in mid-June could bring surprising collaborations or partnerships that elevate your career. Stay adaptable and trust your instincts. Scorpios thrive under pressure, and this year will test your ability to adapt while maintaining control. Scorpio, your financial landscape in 2025 is dynamic. With Jupiter moving into your shared resources sector in May, opportunities for investments or joint ventures will arise. This is a great year for tackling long-term financial goals, such as property investments or debt reduction. However, Uranus in your financial zone warns against impulsive decisions. Around April, you may feel tempted to take risks, pause, and evaluate before committing to big expenses. By late summer, a Venus retrograde could stir up financial surprises, so it's wise to budget and save early in the year. Look out for a particularly favorable period in June and July, when planetary alignments could bring unexpected income or rewards. Stay grounded and let your natural resourcefulness lead the way. This is a year of transformation in your relationships. Pluto's move into Aquarius will inspire you to redefine what you want from love, whether that's deeper intimacy, more freedom, or a fresh start entirely. For those in a relationship, expect key turning points around the eclipses in March and September. These could bring clarity, allowing you and your partner to align on shared goals. If your bond is solid, this year will deepen your connection. If not, you may feel ready to let go and embrace change. If you're single, Venus retrograde in January could bring an old flame back into your orbit. This is a chance to revisit the past and heal lingering wounds. By mid-year, Jupiter in your relationship sector will open doors to meaningful connections. Keep your heart open. Love may arrive in unexpected forms. Scorpio, remember, vulnerability is your superpower. Don't be afraid to let someone see your soul. It's in those moments that true magic happens. This is your year of power, passion, and purpose. The stars are aligning to help you transform every area of your life: health, career, finances, and love. Trust your intuition. Embrace the changes. And know that you have the strength to overcome anything the universe throws your way. Don't forget to subscribe for more cosmic insights and empowering forecasts. Let's make 2025 the year you rise like the phoenix you are.